Hey there, I'm back again in today's Civil 3D forum fix. So we're going to learn about how to control a section view label set for individual section views. I see one post on Civil 3D forum regarding even though section view set or section view labels are set to no labels, still the user can experience the major and minor offset section views for individual sections. Let's get into Civil 3D drawing and then see how we're going to control the same. I'm going to minimize this image file and then get into Civil 3D drawing and cross-check the settings here. I'm going to select the section view, right click, edit feature settings, expand the default styles here. I'm going to check this section label set is set for no label style. I'm going to click on this edit styles just to make sure no label set is assigned no labels, but still the other user is experiencing the label set for major and minor offset values. So I'm going to draw one individual section here just to make sure from where the labels are reflecting. So once we got to know the source, so we can control the same. So I have selected random station section view here. So I'm going to select this section view, right click section view properties. I'm going to click on this section tab here. I'm going to click on the label. I just want to make sure that each and every surface data source is having a label set. So I would like to see that from where the labels are reflecting. The labels are reflecting through the section label set. So let's see that if we control the section label set, automatically this label set can be controlled. I'm going to delete this label here. So I'm going to delete this section view here. I'm going to expand the section. I'm going to expand this label styles. I'm going to expand the label set. Select this major and minor. Right click, edit, and take off this minor and major label style. Apply. Okay. So now we successfully take off the label set which was coming through or reflecting through major and minor offset label set. So now I'm going to draw again individual section view here for random station. So I'm not able to see any of the major and minor label styles for the Civil 3D section. I'm going to draw another section view for another stations just to make sure so it's working completely perfect without any issues. So we can easily generate any of the section views or individual section views now without experiencing the unwanted label styles. The unwanted label style was completely reflecting through the section label sets under the category of major and minor offsets. So if I select this label or section view properties, right click section view properties and click on the labels. So if you click on the label now, so you don't see the pre-created or pre-assigned label style because we have already take off these label styles under major and minor offset label style. So that's about the session. So that's how we can have a control on unwanted label styles in section view. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to know and learn more and more about latest and greatest updates on Civil 3D tips and tricks and post fixes or Civil 3D forum fixes. Thank you.